Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can record budgets in QuickBooks, so let's get started. To begin, sign in to your QuickBooks online account and go to the Settings menu by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. Under the Tools section, select Budgeting. This will take you to the budgeting dashboard where you can create, view, or edit budgets for your business. Next, click on Add Budget to start creating a new one. You will be asked to give your budget a name and select the fiscal year it applies to. QuickBooks Online also gives you the option to subdivide your budget by customer, class, or location if you want a more detailed breakdown. Once you've made these selections, click Next to proceed. You will now see a budget grid where you can enter your planned amounts for each account on a monthly basis. This is where you can input income targets, expense limits, and other financial goals. If you prefer, QuickBooks Online also allows you to base your budget on data from the previous year, making the process quicker and more accurate. After entering all the necessary figures, review the budget carefully to ensure accuracy. Once everything looks correct, click Save to record the budget in your account. From this point, you can easily generate reports such as budget versus actuals, which compare your real business performance with the budgeted figures, giving you valuable insights into how well you are staying on track. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.